when I come, I just don't know how to deliver speech in English, but now I'm capable.
This is a practically speaking test of English language in English fantasy. In this first part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
What's your full name?
My name is Deepika Dash.
Deepika Dash, where do you come from?
I'm from Naranganj.
How many members do you have in your family?
Okay, there are 4 members in my family: my father, my mother, me, and my elder sister.
Okay. Who is the main earning source of your family?
My father is my main earning source.
What does he do?
He's a businessman.
How do you usually spend your weekend?
Okay, I love to spend my weekends with my family and with my friends. But nowadays, I'm living in hostel, so I don't get enough time to spend time with my friends and my family. So, yeah.
Thank you. How often do you usually go to restaurant? And with whom do you love most to go there?
Okay, many times I visit restaurants with my friends and my family. And just some days ago, I would visit a restaurant with my family members.
What kind of music do you love to listen?
Okay, well question. There are 3 types of music I love to listen. There are Bangla musics, English music, and sometimes Hindi musics.
Thank you. Do you prefer to spend time indoor or outdoor? Why?
I think everyone has his own opinion. In my opinion, I love to spend time in outdoor because I think that spending outdoor is important because we learn many things to seeing outdoors, and there is lots of activities in outdoor. We need to face this.
Thank you. What's your favorite season of the year?
This is rainy season. I love rain most. That's why.
Okay. Do you enjoy reading books? What type of book do you love to read?
Obviously, I love reading books. I prefer to read books because I think there's a book is called our best friend, and I love different kind of books like a novel as well as poetry books and real life story books.
Thank you. How often do you use social media?
There is 4 or 3 hours I spend time in social media. And I think that in our generation, social media is very important for us.
Thank you. That is the end of the speaking part 1. Now we'll go for part 2. In part 2, you'll get a QCAT topic and you will get 1 minute to take preparation. Do you make understand?
Yeah.
Your QCAT topic is describe your best friend.
Okay. I have a best friend in my childhood. Her name is Rose, and she's a very cute and not introvert. She's so much friendly, and she's so beautiful and also very talented person. And when I saw her in first time, I think she is introvert. She doesn't love to talk with others, but when I'm spending time with her, then I realized no, she is good. She loves to deliver many things, and she loves talking with people. And yeah.
Thank you so much. You did really well, but thing is that you have to use more fillers and idiomatic language. You didn't complete the basic course, right? You're doing basic.
Yeah.
How many days have you completed in English fantasy?
It's already 1 month plus left.
Around 40 days, right? You were spending here around 40 days. So can you imagine how much improved you have?
Yeah, it's a lot of.
Thank you. So if I go for English fantasy, so English fantasy is right place for learning English language. What do you think?
Yeah, obviously, because when I come, I just don't know how to deliver speech in English, but now I'm capable.
Thank you. So this is the practically speaking test. এই ভিডিওটা আমরা সপ্তাহে একবার করি, মাসে 2-3 বার করি, because of developing our students' capability to speak. কারণ এই ভিডিও দেখে যেন তার ভুলগুলো সে কারেকশন করতে পারে, আরও বেশি ব্রাশ আপ করে পরবর্তীতে আরও বেশি কনফিডেন্স নিয়ে সে যেন আমাদের এই ইন্টারভিউ বোর্ডে আসতে পারে। সো দিস ইজ দ্য বিউটি অফ ইংলিশ ফ্যান্টাসি। বাংলা বলে কি ফাইন দিতে হয় ইংলিশ ফ্যান্টাসিতে?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a good time.
Thank you, sir.
See you soon in the next video.